Check out where my baby decided to fall asleep. I think what it is, she's laid there because I got my grand dog and she's scared that I'm going to take her and give her a treat. Is that what it is, baby? Huh? You know, if anybody gets a treat, you're first in line. Ain't that right? And River's kind of sad because Daddy's not coming to get her tonight. River, you're going to sleep with me, baby. What do you want? Y'all want a treat? You want a treat? Come on, I'll see if I can find y'all something. Y'all are so sweet. River, that's not yours.